Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make microwave meringue. First, gather your ingredients: 1 large egg white, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a tiny pinch of cream of tartar. Ensure your mixing bowl is perfectly clean and dry, as any grease can prevent the egg whites from whipping up properly. This quick method creates a delightful, chewy meringue. Now, let's get whipping. Carefully separate 1 large egg white, ensuring no yolk gets into the bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg white on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form. Then, slowly add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon at a time, continuing to beat until the mixture is glossy and holds stiff peaks. It's time for the microwave magic. Spoon your meringue mixture onto a parchment-lined microwave-safe plate in small, individual dollops. Microwave on high for an initial 15 to 20 seconds. Check the consistency. It should be firm but still slightly soft. Continue microwaving in 5-second bursts, checking after each, until the meringues are set and have a marshmallow-like texture. For the best results, let your microwave meringues cool completely on the plate. They will firm up even more as they cool, developing that delightful chewy texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavorings like vanilla extract or a tiny bit of lemon zest next time. Remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.